Continents and oceans of the Earth, welcome to my channel Learning Lane. In today's video, we'll explore the 7 continents and 5 oceans of the Earth. Whether you're studying for your BA or B.Sc degree in geography or earth science, this overview will help you understand the global distribution of land and water. The Foundation of Physical Geography, Part 1, the 7 continents. Let's begin with the continents. A continent is a large continuous landmass, and Earth has 7 of them. 1. Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent. It covers around 30% of the Earth's total land area and is home to over 4.7 billion people. Asia contains diverse landscapes from the Himalayas, the highest mountains in the world, to vast deserts and tropical rainforests, to Africa. Africa is the second largest continent, both in area and population. It is rich in natural resources and is the origin of the longest river in the world, the Nile. Africa's climate ranges from tropical rainforests to arid deserts like the Sahara Desert. 3. North America. North America includes Canada, the United States, Mexico, and Central America. It features major landforms such as the Rocky Mountains, the Great Plains, and the Great Lakes. Economically and politically, it is a significant global region. 4. South America. South America is known for its biodiversity, especially within the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest. It is also home to the Andes Mountains, the longest continental mountain range. 5. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest and most remote continent, located at the South Pole. It is covered by ice sheets, which contain about 70% of the world's fresh water. There is no permanent population, only scientists working in research stations. 6. Europe. Europe has played a crucial role in world history from ancient civilizations to the Industrial Revolution. It has a dense population, well-developed infrastructure, and includes countries like Germany, France, and the United Kingdom. 7. Australia. Oceania. Australia is the smallest continent and is part of the broader region of Oceania, which includes New Zealand and thousands of Pacific islands. It is geographically isolated, giving rise to unique flora and fauna, such as kangaroos and eucalyptus trees. Part 2, the 5 oceans. Now let's turn to the oceans, which cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. There are 5 major oceans recognized by modern geography. 1. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. It contains the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, and is bordered by the tectonically active Ring of Fire. 2. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean lies between the Americas and Europe and Africa. It played a central role in colonial exploration, trade, and history. It also features the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a major underwater mountain range. 3. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is located between Africa, Asia, and Australia. It is the warmest ocean and is vital for global trade, especially through the Suez Canal and Strait of Malacca. It heavily influences the Asian monsoon system. 4. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean encircles Antarctica and was officially designated in the year 2000. It is known for the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, which helps regulate Earth's climate by circulating cold water around the globe. 5. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of all. It's located around the North Pole, much of it is covered by ice, and it is extremely sensitive to climate change. Conclusion. Understanding the distribution of continents and oceans is fundamental to physical geography. It helps us interpret Earth's climate systems, ecosystems, natural hazards, and human activity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next lesson.